Hi students, welcome to Shaker's history classes. In this video, we will analyze one mains question. This is part of series history through mains questions. Here the question which we are going to discuss is the analyze the elements of urban planning in the Harappan culture. This is the question. Now if you see the broad elements of urban planning in the Harappan civilization are these: upper part and lower part, citadel, great structures like great bath, granary, planned streets and planned houses, planned drainage system. Let us understand the various elements of urban planning. How to write here? Here we are talking about how to write mains answer. So first it should be having introduction, then it should be having body and the conclusion. Here simple introduction is, here it is talking about elements of urban planning in the Harappan culture. Here in introduction you can say the elements, the urban planning feature is very unique for Harappan culture. There are various elements in Harappan culture, like religious elements are there, political elements are there, social elements are there, but urban feature is very unique to the Harappan civilization. That is, you can highlight in the introduction. And in the body you can write the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. And in the conclusion you can compare with other contemporary civilizations also, like Mesopotamia, Egypt. Comparing with even those civilizations also, the urban planning feature is very unique for Harappan civilization. So this is broadly the introduction, body and conclusion. I will show you some images. Here you will get an idea how the urban planning was done in the Harappan culture. Here you can see the contemporary civilizations, here Mesopotamia and here Egypt also there, and also Chinese civilization was also flourishing when Indus civilization was flourishing here. And this is the geographic location, and these are the some of the important Harappan towns. And this is the image where you can see a image of urban area. And here you can observe some part is at the raised platform and some part is at the lower platform. This is the image of drainage, and this is how it looks Harappa. And if you see the projection, this is how Harappan towns look like. And now from this kind of imagination we can understand what kind of urban elements were flourished are there in the Harappan culture. Now come back to this various elements. First let us see how to start the answer. First you start with the urban areas in Harappan civilization were broadly divided into two parts. Some of the examples of urban areas, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Chanhudaro are some of the big urban areas, and these areas are broadly divided into two parts. One is western side, another one is the eastern side. The western side is constructed on a mound called raised platform. That is why this part is also called citadel, means fort like structure, and this is also called upper town. On the eastern side it is called lower town because it was not constructed on the raised platform. And if you see the people who were living in the citadel kind of structure and in the lower town, probably in the citadel area or in the fortified area, probably administrators, religious important figures and also rich traders were living. In the lower town, common people were living. These common people were agrarian people, artisan people. These are the common people who were living. This is one of the important element of urban planning. And the second part is, it is very planned and the houses were constructed in a planned manner. And houses were constructed with the proper streets also. The streets were constructed in 90 degrees. And when the houses are constructed, these houses are limited within their boundaries, so that houses are not encroached into the public streets. So this is how the planned structure or planning element is visible in the Harappan culture. And now and these houses are properly supplied with water. So supply of water, and also proper bathrooms were constructed. And even with modern standards, in our urban areas also, if we see in the slum areas, these features were not available. That is why even today urbanization also we can learn lessons from Harappan civilization. Proper water supply, bathrooms were fitted, dustbins were also constructed in the houses, and the drainage system well connected to the street drainage system. And in the streets, drainages were covered with dried bricks, and it also covered with manholes or inspection holes, so that if there is any issue in the drainage system, it can be easily cleared. And if we see, these are the some of the important elements of urban planning. Let us see the images. And here you can see, in place of Dolavera, even reservoirs are also constructed for maintaining water supply. In the Lodal area, even dockyard also constructed for trading purpose. So these are urban features or urban elements of Harappan civilization. Here you can see the raised platform or citadel, lower town, and 90 degrees cut in the streets, and some of the constructions like great bath and granary for storing food grains are also visible in the urban areas of Harappan civilization. This is the drainage, and well laid out. Bricks are also seen in the image, and this is how it looks, the streets, and this is the projection of Harappan towns. So broadly, these are the various elements of urban planning. Here question is, analyze the elements of urban planning in the Harappan culture. Introduction, you can say here this is one of the important unique feature. In the body you can write all these important elements. In the conclusion, comparing with other contemporary civilizations also, the planning element is missing, but only that is unique to Harappan culture. I have given the model answer also. The model answer you can download it from the below box in the comments box. Thank you.